We're never moving upwards in a straight line. If you zoom out and see yourself over a 12-month period, you'll realize that there are patches where you felt absolutely amazing, and then there are patches you felt extremely miserable. In reality, progress happens in an upward trend that looks more like a sawtooth trend, down and up, but it's trending upwards. The key is to realize that you need to keep progressing, because every time you're progressing, you feel great. But every time you're stuck in some mental, social, or situational problem, you feel absolutely miserable. Winners understand that when stuck in these problems, you need to stay patient, re-strategize, and keep putting in the reps, and before you know it, you will start coming out of it and start trending upwards. And over time, once you've got into a rut and came out, a few times in your life, you'll start realizing, okay, this is how winners progress in any case. So you don't get scared of the rut. Instead, you become ever optimistic and even start enjoying the downward slope, because you know it's temporary and necessary for your growth. You are a winner.